To make a slip knot, you're going to put your tail around your index finger like this, and you put the tail at the back. Then you'll take off the loop that you made and insert your hook. And then pull the tail back through that loop. And don't worry, I'll show this a bunch of times if you didn't catch it. Now you can tighten this loop and you can start crocheting or knitting or whatever it is that you want to do. So, just gonna show you again. You should be able to just pull this knot and it should dissolve itself. So, make a loop like this, and you have to have the tail and the back. Insert the hook and grab the tail and pull it through the loop, and then tighten by pulling on both strands of yarn, and this should produce this noose-like knot that gets tighter when you pull it and can be unraveled just by pulling on one of the yarns. So again, make a loop, insert your hook, grab the tail and pull up. So I'll leave you to watch the rest if you need it. There are a lot of these in here, so I hope that at least there is some angle where you can see what I am doing so that you can start crocheting or knitting. It's pretty essential if you are starting out as a beginner in knitting or crocheting.